Hi YouTube, Sativa Baker here with RVUpcycles at gmail.com. Find me on Facebook at Sativa Baker. I am here because I'm going to show you guys the shelves that I'm putting up inside my RV in my back bunk area. I am not screwing any of this. Well, I'm not screwing it into the wall. Excuse me, into the wall of my RV, and I've already pre-cut my wood. It's all scrap wood. This is actually pieces of wood from a futon frame. This is probably from like maybe an old cabinet that I was going to use. But what I did was simply just, I just simply screwed that in there, and so this moves. So if my shelvings move while we're driving, they'll move in the wood. But it's not going to be screwed into the wall. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what I did here really quick. Set that in there. But it's a very sturdy framing. And I purposely cut my wood. I purposely cut these two large pieces of wood here to fit tightly between the sides here. And there's a brace back here. There's you know, it's a basic frame, shelving frame. So I'm gonna show you. No, leave the camera on. How I did this. I'm putting these woods here. These are the bottom panels, and I'm just gonna put them in. And there's a few separate different pieces because they're all scrap wood. So that's gonna go next. Next, I'm going to put that's the middle shelf. This is the top shelf, one big piece of wood. And I'm going to lay it on the top of these brackets here, the top of these framing brackets. Next, with my pre-cut pieces here, I want to hold that wood up really quick while I put these mount. Because I wanted to do it quick, I pre-drilled my holes here on the bottom to just hurry up and screw in because I really want to get my kids' clothes in here. So this will go here, right there. And now that I have that second one up, the middle shelf will go up next. Rock, you can grab one side of the shelf. Ah! Because I'm just going to drop it on each other on one side. I think you can see. Yeah, that's good.
Run the wires in the way.
Now push the camera down. Alright, there we go. Thank you. Alright, cool. Oh, YouTube. Stop the video. Did I put that in upside down? Should stop the video? No, never mind. Come on. Alright, hold this, move the curtain so I can get this up here. What? You're not in the way of the video, are you?
Huh?
You're not in the way of the video, are you?
No. Okay. On a new video.
That's alright. So now, I'm going to lift this up and just hold that wood. Hold this here. There, thank you. I want it on that. Yeah, there you go. Right there. Alright, let it go.
Can you sit back down?
Yeah, go ahead and sit down. So that was my son, everyone. He's watching me, helping me out here. So as you can see already, it looks like a shelving unit. a little crooked right now, but I'm going to fix that. There it goes. This bottom board pushed in, and I didn't want it to. And this is the Tetris game, everyone. I now have the bottom part of my shelving in here. Let's line this up where I had it. And I marked where my holes were because I knew I'd be taking this down to show you guys me putting it back up. So it's nice and sturdy. I mean, it's pretty sturdy, you guys. And now I have this corner area, which is kind of, I'll hold the camera like right about there. The corner area here, which I'm going to put up. And it's kind of more the desk area for the kids. Another piece of wood with these little brackets. Now, it fits very snugly. I cut the wood purposely for it to fit snugly. And that's the bottom. You see, that's the framing of it. Down here I have like wires and fuses, so this is why my water tank is underneath here, and this is why I kind of don't want to build over here too much. So there's that. And then I have this scrap piece of wood here. Set it along here. And this is the corner piece, which you can see how that goes. Just that's the wood here. I am not a woodsmith. There we go. Kind of jimmy it all into place. And then I have this piece here that just happens to perfectly. So I'll hold this up. So what I'll be doing is fastening this to the wood and putting a leg here, which I already cut, and putting a leg right behind this to hold this up. And then this is really going to be like a flashing, easy thing. But this is Tetris, this is my shelvings, and I'll show you now how sturdy it is, and it's not even screwed in yet. So let's put this back up here. Yikes! I wish I had a better camera, YouTube. I just don't. No. I haven't got one. I haven't got that far yet.
See that again.
There. I will show you guys that it's not even screwed down yet, but it's very sturdy. I can lay down on this. No, it's not going to fall on me. That's my son's special effect. So now I'm going to screw it all up. And the screws are going to go here, here, and down there on the last one, and then it'll be done. This just like like I said, it just kind of slides in here. And this will be the last part that I do, so it's really not that important to me. This wood split. Oh, so now I'm going to replace that too before I do the screwing. So that's it, YouTube. I'm just going to do those last 3 screws, and it's going to be set in there. You guys have a good day. Subscribe to me. We'll be start full-timing sometime this year, maybe in a couple months, hopefully. And yeah, come over here. And find me on Facebook. I'd love to have more friends on Facebook, or maybe I only have like maybe 10, 15 friends now. Find me at Sativa Baker, and let's talk RV and let's talk things. Bye.
And don't forget to comment.